All right, in problem number 1, we have this trapezoid A, B, C, D, and it says that segment AB is parallel to CD, and that the length of AB is 1/2 of the length of CD. Okay, so I'm actually going to mark that on there. So I could mark it as, okay, so we're given that AB is half of CD, so I could write 1/2 of CD, but I like whole numbers, so I'm actually going to call this AB, and I'm going to call this one down here, I'm going to call this 2AB. Okay, so the bottom is twice the length of the top. It's the same thing as the statement here that AB is 1/2 of CD. And then it says a point P lies somewhere on segment AB. So I'll just put a dot here. Oops. Put a dot. And we'll call it P. And it doesn't really matter where it's at. It doesn't tell you where it's at either. So, and it asks you what is the ratio of the area of the triangle DPC to the area of the trapezoid ABCD. Alright, so let's draw this triangle in here. See if I can draw a decently straight line. I'm going to draw it dotted. I can usually get them straighter if I draw a dotted line. No guarantees though, right? So let me draw another dotted line over to C. Okay, so there's a triangle, DPC. And, alright, so we know the area of a triangle. The formula for it is 1/2 times the base times the height, right? So we can easily figure out, well, we're not, let's call this, let's call the height here, well, we can just call it h actually. We'll call it h. Alright, that's distance here. Okay. So we could write the area of this triangle to be 1/2 times the base, which is 2AB, times the height. Alright, so we'll cancel the half. So we can write the area of the triangle as just the length of AB times h. Okay? Alright, now let's figure out the area of the trapezoid in terms of AB and h. And if we can do that, then we ought to be home free. Okay? So the trapezoid, what's the area of a trapezoid? So trapezoid, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 of the average of the bases, B1 plus B2, okay, times the height. Alright, so let's write that out. We have 1/2, and the one base we're calling AB, and the other base we're calling 2AB, and then we have h, which we have AB plus 2AB, which is 3AB divided by 2, so that's 3/2 AB times h. Alright, so now we have both the trapezoid and the triangle. We have their areas in terms of AB and h. So the question asks, what's the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the trapezoid? Well, now we've got it. We've got it. It's pretty easy. So the area of the triangle to the area of the trapezoid is equal to, okay, so we have AB times h for the area of the triangle, and we have 3/2 AB times h. And AB over AB is 1, h over h is 1, so we're left with 1 over 3/2, and the reciprocal of this fraction is just 2/3. Okay? So there you go. There's the answer. The triangle, the area of the triangle is 2/3 the area of the trapezoid, no matter where you put P. So that's kind of cool.